round of applause for Pop Tika!
What's up?
Very good, very good. You've been trained well. We are so happy because the venue is full of excitement and loud cheers. Isa pa ang loud cheer dyan? Louder! Thank you, thank you. So, Chinyon, hello, how are you? You visited the Philippines again after 4 years, after your 2019 tour. Taas ang kamay ng mga nagpunta ng 2019. So, palakpakan naman natin si Mr. Pop Jin-young for coming back here to Manila. Jin-young, you have so many Filipino fans. How do you feel?
I'm so happy that you guys are coming today. And, honestly, I'm so shy about speaking in English. And I miss you so much. I think the other members too. So, enjoy tonight. Thank you.
Very good, very good. So the title of the fan concert is Rendezvous. Medyo mahirap siya i-pronounce. Pwedeng rendezvous, di ba? Medyo hindi natin alam. But it's Rendezvous. And just from the title, I can feel how much you want... Hello? Yes. How much you wanted to meet your fans. So I heard that you prepared a lot.
Did you hear that?
Narinig mo? Now, yes, I can hear now.
I'm here now. 맞아요. 오늘은 제가 한 4년 정도 못 왔기 때문에 4년간 제가 했던 거에 대해서 우리 팬들이랑 같이 이렇게 얘기하려고 왔어요.
Actually, 4 na taon na hindi ako nakabalik dito. At kaya ang dami kong hinanda dahil sa 4 na taon na hindi ako nakabalik. Ngayong araw nito, ipapakita ko sa inyo lahat.
Mahal kita!
So what about we sit down for now and
Yes.
chit-chat a bit?
What's wrong with my chair?
You don't like it?
It's too huge.
It's perfect for a king.
Is that okay?
Yes. Today. Alright. So, Cotton Candy is the song that we just heard. And it was the title song of your first solo album released just last January, right? Kumakanta kayo kaya narinig ko yun. Including this song, I heard that you also wrote, composed, produced all of the songs. So meron ka bang chika sa amin sa pagganap mong yan?
Honestly, all about all of my fans, because my fans waited long time, maybe 2 and 3 years ago. So I started this album, prepared this album 3 years ago. I started. So I hope that you guys love my album. You love this album? Thank you.
Hindi ka na ba kailangan dito, Ara? Pwede ka na bumalik backstage. Charot.
No, I need.
Oh, you know. So was there anything difficult about preparing for your solo album? Baka, oh.
Sweetie, yeah, sit down.
Alam mo niya makada sa labas.
This is the not first time, but this is the first time I saw whole one song, every part. When we sung the Gossipin song, we have the part of the song. So that is the most hardest part, and
Daming meron ah.
I was worried because
You were
I
bored?
wasn't alone. I was
Ah.
alone because without the members. So that is the hard.
I'm sure they wanna be with you. Just in case you're bored, call them, the fans.
Okay.
So, kamusta ka naman sa mga panahon na ito? Ano ang mga pinagkakaabalahan mo?
I'm filming recently from Whole Beach. And I prepared this background for my akase. So I had no time.
But you're with us now, so that's important. That's the best thing.
너무 기다렸어요, 이 시간을.
Talaga hinintay ko ang araw na ito.
Hinintay ka rin namin.
Thank you.
Yes! So ang dami mong ginagawa. You're doing various activities, not only acting, but also for your solo album. How do the people around you react? Because you're busy and stuff like that. Stuff like that.
사실 주변에서 막 얘기할 정도로 막 주변에서 막 만나거나 막 연락을 많이 받지는 않았는데 그래도 그냥 팬들 반응을 좀 많이 보죠. 팬들이 어떻게 생각하는지 보면 팬들이 너무 내가 하는 거에 대해서 되게 자랑스러워해서 내가 열심히 하고 있구나를 느끼고 있어요.
Super busy ako, pero hindi naman dahil na wala akong oras para sa aking mga kaibigan. Okay lang yun kasi inuuna ko talaga ang aking mga fans. At sa akin, importante ang anong iniisip ng mga fans para sa kung matutuwa kayo sa mga ginagawa ko. At syempre, hinihintay ko na walang mga response ninyo. Kaya, okay na yun sa akin, busy ako.
So, the 2023 Pak Jin Young Fan Concert Rendezvous in Manila, ito yung meron tayong segment na gagawin. So, we will find out how artist Pak Jin Young has been presented to the fans, kung paano siya ipinakita, at paano siya napanood. At makikinig din tayo ng mga ibang kwento related sa mga characters ng kanyang drama. Gusto niyo yun? Gusto natin yun. And I heard that you prepared a lot of presents, gifts for your Filipino fans. Nakita ko yung backstage, guys, pasabog. Could you tell us a little bit about what you have prepared?
Sorry, I can't.
Oh, it's a secret.
It's very secret.
Okay. Abangan ang susunod na kabanata, mga bay, okay? Abangan nyo na lang.
Okay.
Ayan. So, dahil ayaw sabihin, yung mga paandar later, we will proceed to the next segment, which we call Actor Pak Jin Young! Ano yung lakasan pa yung plakpakan? Why not? Thank you, thank you. So you have shown us various characters and works since you debuted, right? And marami mo naganap ng mga characters mula sa child actors, sa judges, police trainees, office workers, at kung ano-ano pa. Napanood niyo ba lahat yun? And I'm sure there are other characters that particularly stand out in your memory. And I also heard that the hint for that work is hidden inside one of the dolls. So I wonder what kind of keyword hint might be hidden inside the doll. So please pick the first doll.
Okay, number one.
Number one.
say?
Ano daw? Ano sabi?
Thank you. Later.
Nakarami na dyan sa side na yun.
Busy sana sa'yo. 들어볼까요?
Pindutin natin.
Okay.
Aspiring actor.
Okay. One more.
Aspiring actor. 다시.
Right.
Aspiring actor.
Aspiring actor. Aspiring actor.
I record, but I forgot.
So let's see, ano nga ba ang ano nito? Aspiring actor. Okay. Alright. So, can you tell us about this photo and the drama behind it?
When I was 22, 8 years ago, oh my god, I'm almost 30 in Korea.
But you still look like you're 21.
Don't lie to me.
Diba?
Anyway, this is 22. When I was 22, I filmed a drama called 사랑하는 운동화.
My
Did you
love.
watch that? Why did you? Why did not answer that?
Madam!
Madam,
Marika, ispatan ka dyan. Ang panao.
okay, 8 years ago. I understand. 이 친구는 현수인데 이때는 중학생 역할이에요.
So this is Hansu from My Love Undong, and he's actually a middle school student.
Oh.
뭐 어떤 되게 첫사랑을 그리워하는 그런 되게 그러니까 순정이 있는 그런 아이예요.
So basically, si Sean Hansu, namimiss niya talaga ang kanyang first love. So you can expect na innocent and sweet yung kanyang character.
Yes. So for you personally, what does My Love Undong, the English title of the drama, My Love Undong, mean to you as an actor?
뭔가 한 인물이 가지고 있는 서사가 쭉 있는 게 제가 처음이었어서 어떻게 보면 연기를 하는 재미가 이거구나를 느끼게 해준 그런 거죠.
This is the first time na talaga napakita sa buong drama ang pagkatao ni Hansu from simula hanggang sa dulo. So syempre, nakapag-relate ako ng sobra to develop the character, and it really helped me be who I am.
Sa mga nakapanood dyan, remember yung talagang iyak-iyakan, ganyan. Yung talagang tearful yung acting. And we also saw that in Hyunsu and Undong's farewell scene, nung bata pa lang sila. So, di ba, parang very ano yan. And you were highly appreciated even after the drama was over. So, were you satisfied with that scene, like that farewell part? Or is there anything that you want to try again?
사실 다 만족이 안 되죠. 할 때마다 사실 무대 하는 것도 할 때는 재밌는데 하고 막 모니터 보면은 아쉽고 그래서 한 번도 뭔가 하고 만족스러웠던 건 없던 것 같아요.
I think for all my projects, hindi naman talaga na pwedeng sapat na I'm very satisfied from the full completion. Every time I do my monitoring for my prize projects, meron naman mga bagay na nanginginan ako na sana siguro gagalingan ko sa susunod.
Ay, oo na. God! There were heartbreaking sa drama na ito. There were heartbreaking scenes at meron din mga scenes na masasaya. For example, yung scene where the aspiring actor Hyunsu had a not so good audition with the director. I think all of us feel like it was challenging for you to act that audition or that scene. Can you tell us about that?
연기를 못한다는 게 어려웠죠.
Mahirap kasi hindi ako magaling pa na actor yung panahon na yun.
Just kidding. No, just kidding.
Just kidding.
사실 연기를 못한다는 거를 해봤을 때 그냥 되게 오바스럽게 하면 연기를 못하는 것 같아서 오바스럽게 했던 것 같아요.
Kasi kailangan ko naman talaga na hindi ako magaling na actor. So medyo pag siguro sobrahan ko naman, baka mas halatang hindi ako magaling. So medyo nanghihingayan ako. Pero gagawin na lang ko talaga sa susunod.
I can just imagine, like, you were a good actor pretending to be a bad actor. Yeah, that's why it's hard for you, right?
저대로 했어요, 저대로.
Nagpakatotoo lang naman talaga ako kasi nagsisimula ako.
Ganyan tayo eh. Pero but there was also a scene, speaking of pagkakatotoo, there was also a scene where Hyunsu was learning how to tap dance, di ba? And ang galing niya, very natural. Can you show us please the tap dance that you did in the drama? Oh, sample! Game!
사실 너무 오래전이라서 기억이 잘 안 나요.
Napakatagal ng panahon na yun, so hindi ko na talaga maalala lahat.
So long time ago. 그래도 괜찮다고요?
Okay lang ba?
아직 한국말 알아듣는 거죠.
Naintindihan niyo ba yung Korean ko?
아니 카메라 안 찍던 사람도 이렇게 싹 올리기 시작했어요.
Lahat natataasan na ng phone.
그때 막 이렇게 했던 것 같아요. 막 그런 식으로.
Ito yata ang ginawa ko nung scene na yun.
I'm sorry.
Palakpakan naman natin siya! Still, the fans still love it! Still!
Yeah!
Yes! So, okay naman, nasatisfied tayo sa part na yan. Now, please pick the next doll. Guard!
Oh, thank you. Me too. Number 2.
Quiet on the set, quiet.
Baby Prosector. Baby Prosector.
Baby prosecutor.
Yeah.
Okay, baby prosecutor.
Baby.
For the keyword is baby prosecutor. Now, let's check out what
Especially
it is.
baby. Oh. Looks like a baby.
Yeah, he does. Very good looking. I think he can become an actor. The judge's uniform that you wore here in The Devil Judge was different from the judge's uniform we've often seen. How was it when you first saw the uniform and wore it?
일단 그 영화, 그 드라마의 세계관 자체가 좀 다른 세계, 실제 세계가 아니라 다른 세계에서 일어나는 일이기 때문에 저렇게 입어도 그게는 괜찮겠다라는 생각을 하면서 입었던 것 같아요.
Siyempre nung una, pero nababago ako doon sa mga binibigay nilang costume sa akin. But the drama itself was a very fictitious story. So siguro nung nakita ko yun, sabi ko, okay naman. Anyways, it's a very fictional-based drama. Fantasy naman yun.
Alright, speaking of The Devil Judge, inisip ko lang, no, kung kailan, hindi siya hirap ng Tagalog, I wonder when Kaon started to like Soohyun. So, feeling mo, even if it's not you personally, when do you think he started to like Soohyun?
First time when they met. I think 그렇게 생각하면서 연기했어요.
Nag-act ako na nung una siguro in love na siya agad.
나도 봤어는 I 갔어는.
Ay, sinutasan mo kayo ng mga love at first sight picture niyo. Ayan, ang dami, di ba?
Me too. I love.
Oh,
I love myself.
Tayo ba, guys? Wala pa tayo. 2 oras pa tayo dito ba ito? Let's go. Now, with the character in the drama, you feel like if he could have a superhuman power, what would you like to have to change the world? Lakas baka Miss Universe ng tanong natin.
저는 순간이동.
Gusto ko parang space transport.
Space transport? Pupunta ng outer space?
Pupunta ng ibang lugar.
Ano tawag? Teleportation? Teleportation.
Because I have the power, I always come to this person. All over the world.
Yes, we love that. But please come here more often than other countries, okay?
See you tomorrow.
I love it! Now, please pick the next doll. Ano ka sumisigaw-sigaw ng mga meron dyan?
헛!
Quiet.
Tumingin sa labas ng bintana. Oh, whose voice? One more time. 3, 2, 1. Tumingin sa labas ng bintana. Oh, Philippines.
It's, narinig niyo ba? Tumingin sa labas ng bintana. Get out!
Good job, guys.
Let's check in. Wow. Grabe to. Taas ang kamay ang lahat. Grabe to. Okay, so,
How?
this is...
Wait a minute. How did you guys watch this movie? Bro,
Oh,
what's wrong with you guys? Okay, this is very secret moment.
yes.
I forgot. 3, 2, 1.
Let's get that down into the
Oh, did you watch this movie? Oh, thank you so much. I know. Okay.
So, it's the hint, yung lumabas, tumis na sa bitana, is a hint for the movie Christmas Carol. So, can you tell us more about that movie?
크리스마스 캐롤은 쌍둥이 역할이고요. 이루와 워인데 여기까지.
Basically, it's a Christmas Carol. I was a twin. I played for both Iru and Waru.
I play 2 roles, Iru and Woru. Iru is the old brother, and Woru is 모두가 죽고 의문의 사고로 죽은 다음에 이루가 복수하기 위해서 소년원에 들어가요.
So si Waru namatay siya sa isang aksidente. So si Iru, para as a revenge, pumunta siya sa parang kulungan para iganti ang kanyang kapatid.
Para iganti. Tama na, translator na. Iganti.
모르겠죠.
Hindi niya siguro alam masyado ang storya, hindi ba?
But some people saw it, they said.
I'm sorry to hear that.
So, before the movie, I'm sure even if you haven't seen it, you probably have seen the trailer, diba, yung mga clips. And before, diba, pasado? Before this movie, you had a strong image na parang first love, ano mo yun, very pure, ganyan. And then, in this movie, dalawa yung piniplay mo. And one of the characters is really a very hard character to play. Sobrang, ang husay mo, sir.
Thank you. Please watch my movie next time. Promise? I trust you guys.
I think mag-aga sa shoot petition, yung mga cinemas dito, para daw ito, talagang pipilahan yan. Sure tayo dyan.
Please.
To the management and to the malls, let us know. Ayan. So, can you tell us about the experience of doing the two characters?
네, 쉽지 않은 작업이었던 것 같아요. 왜냐면 굉장히 극과 극이 있는, 한 사람은 분노에 가득 차 있고 한 사람은 굉장한 슬픔에 가득 차 있는 인물이라서 어떻게 하면 다르게 보일까에 대한 고민도 많이 했고, 또 그 작품을 고르기까지 또 많이 위험하고 어떻게 보면 어려운 소재다 보니까 내용이, 그래서 이걸 내가 해도 되는 것인가 생각을 많이 했습니다.
Pinag-isipan ko talaga na mabuti dahil nung pinipili ko pa lang yung script, as you can see, that is a very dark and very heavy ang storya niya. And yung dalawang characters, extreme ang kanilang pagka-personalidad. Isa naman ay punong-puno ng lungkot, isa naman ay punong-puno ng galit. So kailangan ko talaga ipakita sa isang film ang dalawang extreme na pagkabago ng dalawang tao. So medyo mahirap, pero nasayahan naman ako na marami akong natuto.
Yes. And I think, he did really well, like in terms of proving himself talaga as an actor who can do different roles in one movie. Right? Sana all kaya yan, but unfortunately si Park Jin Young lang. What did you gain the most as an actor through this movie?
그냥 아직도 좀 어렵긴 하지만 잘 만든 캐릭터, 그러니까 촬영하기 전까지 잘 만들고 나면 촬영 때는 그래도 좀 더 가깝게, 인물에 대해서 더 가깝게 생각할 수 있는 그런 경험을 했던 거라서 어떻게 보면 저의 다음 연기에 좀 더 많은 걸 느끼게 해줬던 캐릭터인 거죠, 작품이.
Sa simula, ang dami kong pinag-aralan. Siyempre, medyo nag-doubt ako kung kaya ko talaga gawin ang role na ito. Pero nung ginawa ko na talaga at nung napanood ko na yung resulta, marami akong natutunan. Pero it became a big challenge na siguro sa susunod, in the future, mas marami akong klaseng kind of roles na pwede kong gawin ng mas magaling pa.
Yes! I think deserve ng palakpakan. So, now let us pick the last dog. Okay, pakinggan natin.
Okay.
Ang dasal.
3, 2, 1. Guilty person. P-A. Guilty person. P-A-P-I. 3, 2, 1. Guilty person. P-A-P-I.
Guilty man, guilty person. So your fans have noticed already, but Jin Young, please explain what kind of drama this the first thing.
이게 이 드라마는 유미의 제포들 시즌 2고요. 여기서 유바비 역할을 맡았습니다.
So basically, this was from the movie Yumi's Cell, Season 2, and I was called the Guilty Man Young Papi.
I didn't say guilty, man. 네, 그런 캐릭터 작품이고 되게 애니메이션이랑 드라마가 같이 나오는 그런 굉장히 실험적인 재밌는 애니메이션 드라마, 휴먼 드라마입니다.
So it was a human drama na nakakatuwa because it's both a drama and may animation na kasama nagkahalo.
Yes. Taas ang kami ng mga napanood. Siyempre, lahat kayo, di ba? So this was from Unicells na medyo recently lang yan pinalabas. Season 2 siya. And you were perfect in showing both your handsomeness and romantic acting. Na talaga naman pinakilig ang lahat ng mga fans mo. When comparing yung Pabi to the actual Jin Young, what do you think is the most similar thing?
Face? Because I play That's what I'm saying. 바비랑은 좀 사실 좀 많이 달라요. 뭔가 그 친구는 너무 착하고 사람들한테 잘하는 친구라서 그 부분은 좀 다른 것 같고.
Comparing myself to Bobby, medyo iba kami kasi si Bobby, as you have seen, napakabait niyang pagkatao, pero hindi naman ako masyado mabait katulad niya.
Buti lang, hindi ako nainom nun, nung part na yun. So, that's it. Because
Very different.
you're not that...
I'm kind too.
You're not that...
I'm very nice guy as well.
We all know that. We all know that.
그게 좀 비슷한 것 같기도 하다.
Siguro yan yung talaga yung pagka-similarity namin, kabaitan namin.
Ay, iba din. Ay, mabait. Ano may... Ay!
안녕하세요.
Ano yung violent reaction sa part na nasa harapan, ha? Yeah, so taas ako naman sa ninyo yung mga hindi naniniwala mabait siya. Siya lang ba? Ay, grabe kayo. Grabe kayo sa part na yan. So among the many famous scenes in Amy Cells 2, Bobby's first proposal scene became a huge sensation. What do you think is the reason?
키스. 아마도 키스 씬 때문인 것 같고, 왜냐면 그 키스하고 나서 또 청혼을 하고 키스할 때 또 이게 그냥 키스가 아니라 되게 슬픈 상황에서 해서 그런지 그 관객들이 더 이렇게 감정이 왔던 것 같아요.
Siguro naging emotional ang mga viewers dahil sa kissing scene namin because nag-kiss kami pero hindi talaga siyang parang masayang kiss. It was a very sad kiss and then may proposal pa. Siguro kaya super na-emote kayong lahat.
Do you agree? Example? Grabe ka din! Ay, example yun!
I saw some of the Amazon did this, but her mouth is
Grabe kayo! Anyway, okay lang. At least nagkakaintindihan kayo sa mga emotions na ganyan, di ba? Now, sabi ng author ha, ng Yumi Cells, Park Jin-young acted so well in season 2, so if may season 3 na gagawin, hindi mo lang iba makakagawa ng main character unless it's someone like Timothy Chalamet.
whoa.
Kasi siya nga yung perfect na ay,
Wow.
hindi naman tayo sa akin to, tayo sa author.
Dangerous. 작가님, writers.
Yes, the writer na
Thank you so much.
Oo, hindi naman galing sa akin yan. Yes. What are your thoughts and prayers about this?
Okay. 진짜 감사하다고 생각하고 사실 뭐 제가 한 얘기가 아니니까 작가님이 얘기하신 거니까 너무 감사하게 생각하고 열심히 하겠습니다.
Siyempre, nagpapasalamat ako kasi yung mga writers naman daw talaga ang na-compliment. Siguro it's another word for me to do better as well.
Yes. Oh yes, palakpakan naman dyan! So, do you have any role model? Like an actor role model that you want to resemble as an actor? Or an actor that you think is handsome, na medyo gusto mo rin maging gano'n, na magaling din umarte? At bakit yung actor na yun ang napili mo?
Did you watch Dream Night? In this drama, one of the amazing actors. His name is. First word is J. The second is A. Third is Y. His name is JB. He's my favorite. One of my favorite actors in the world. is very honored to act with him in Saint Anna. Thank you so much, JB. Today, JB is there.
Hindi kayo naniwala, nandyan siya.
Enlisted!
So, JB is your answer.
Yeah, JB.
Okay. Ayan, guys, And to wrap it all up, what does Unicell's Season 2 mean to you?
악마 판사도 그렇고 유미의 세포도 그렇고 되게 정말 잘하시는 선배님이랑 같이 할 수 있었던 그런 기회가 있어서 저에게는 참 많이 배울 수 있었던 시간이고 그리고 저를 좀 더 알려줬던 캐릭터라서 또 애정이 좀 많은 것 같아요.
Actually, hindi lang ito, pati yung Devil Judge. I really learned a lot dahil nakasama ko dito yung mga senior actors and actresses na nagturo talaga sa akin kung paano maging isang mabuting actor. So, it was a very good learning experience for me na pwede ako maging mas maunlad na actor sa susunod.
Maunlad na actor! So thank you so much for answering the questions for this segment. And nakapili nga tayo ng mga apat na some of the most meaningful works where he appeared as an actor and talked about the series with related to them. Now it's time for Chinyo to prepare to show the gift that he has prepared for you guys. Again, na paandar at what do you prepare in Tagalog? Pinaghandaan, di ba yan? Ano yung event na pinaghandaan